Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a hard reboot on the Flipper Zero. The only time you really need to do this hard reboot is if it's not responding to you, or if you have a device and you're inserting it in here. It's always good to do a reboot, no matter what device you have. So in order to do this reboot, it's really easy. It takes 2 seconds. So you're going to have to press 2 buttons at the same time. So you have to press the left button and the return button. You're going to press at the same time, only for a few seconds. So let's do this now. So press them both at the same time. You'll see the light blink, and now your Flipper Zero is rebooted. That's all it's to it. Okay guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.